What's up, guys, and welcome to another video, and let's get ready to wake up and react to another episode of Chainsaw Man. What is this episode? Is this episode 6? Oh man, I don't know. All these shows are on like different episodes. I wish they were all on the same. I think it should be. Let's see. Look at last week's. Yep, 6. So anyway, we left off. So they're like in this devil's I don't know what you would want to call it, like domain. They're like in this loop right now. Trying to track down a devil that has a part of the gun, or that has like eaten a part of the gun devil, and so it's given it like more power. It's made it stronger. Last week's episode was wow. I'm telling you, this show pulls no punches. Whenever you think, this is kind of what I feel like the writer is like, oh, you won't do that. You'd never do that. They would never, there's just no way. And he's like, hold my beer. Like, that's kind of how it is. You think we won't do something? You think I won't write something crazy? You think I won't, like, try to, like, push, what is it, like, push the envelope? Or is that what it is? Oh, I don't know. Anyway, but, yeah, they're like, yeah, we're not afraid to, like, cross the line. You know what I mean? So, yes, I have a feeling the rest of the season, this anime is going to continue surprising me. This is what happens when you live with so many cats and dogs. There's, like, always hair in your mouth. Anyway, so, yeah, they gotta find the way out of this loop so that they can eventually, like, find the devil. Like, I don't know if he's in the loop with him. It's like, maybe it's his domain, similar to, like, Jujutsu Kaisen, I don't know. Or maybe he's outside of it, and the only way to defeat him is to get out of this trap, essentially, he put them in. Anything else? I don't think so. I feel like that's a decent summary, right, guys? I'm worried for them, though. They went in here, like, so confident, or, well, Denji and Power did, and it's like, you guys went in here, like, way too arrogant. And then, oh yeah, we also got Hayakawa's backstory, and wow, that's tragic. So fast. Your family there 1 second, gone the next. Insane. Anyway, yeah, other than that, let's just jump right in. Yep. My God, she's freaking out. A double peace sign and stay put? What? Oh. She's freaking out. Oh my God, it's okay. It's okay. They're like stuck now. Don't blame her. These two are ridiculous. What? Oh my God. What is wrong with you, Power? She's such a bitch. You are such a devil. Oh my God. That's when time froze. Oh. Really? Wow, way to look on the bright side. Okay. Of course he fell asleep. Are you stupid? Oh my god. And you're gonna do that while you're stuck in here. She said, oh, okay then. She's always like that. Oh my god. Hmm. Hmm. Really? From me. Oh. Who was that and why did she slap you? That's stupid. It's not your fault. You just take it? Because what? You know, it's what your only way of helping them? You can't bring him back. Is he gonna go say something to her? Aww. Well, eventually you do say yes. Wow. Their eyes are so pretty. I love the... They definitely put a lot of money into this. And the art style I like. Oh. What? Oh my god. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh? Why is he... Okay, what's the contract? What? Why? Wait a minute, why him though? That's odd that you specifically asked for him. Did someone put you up to it? Is someone trying to kill Denji? Oh my god, are you gonna kill Denji so that you can get out of here? Bitch, are you crazy? No. Is this when we're gonna see her moves come out? Oh, guess not. Ooh. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is it like growing or is it just moving? Like, ugh. Why did it just get bigger? What? Oh, so if they say... Oh. Or else what? They die? But what if he's lying? No, like you said, he said he would let you out of here. But like, okay, this is what I'm thinking. Like maybe he's tricking you with his words. Like, I'll let you out of the 8th floor, but then I'll just trap you on another floor, and like, will you just keep pulling this shit? Oh, I'll let you go again if you let me kill this person or so. I don't know. Maybe not. If that's not the case, then why are you specifically after Denji? Is he the only one that could kill you? You see him as a threat, clearly. That's why you want them to kill him and give him to you, but why? That makes me feel like there's one devil in particular who is his, like, boss, I guess. The true mastermind. And they are after Denji, but why would they be after him? They want him dead because they're scared of him, clearly. Is it the gun devil? I mean, you ate a piece of it. I guess, I wonder if devils, like, I wonder if they have some sort of, like, hierarchy. Like, is there someone that sits at the top? Do they have to follow, like, do they have some sort of, like, you know, monarchy? Is there, like, a king devil? I don't know. I'm wondering, like, do they have to follow orders of other devils if they're above them? Why? What happens if he uses a sword? Did you get that sword through some sort of contract? What happens if he uses it? There's a big consequence, clearly. What? Power! Really? It's obvious. It's on your face. What is wrong with her, bro? He's spicy. Really? He made a pun. Feeding off your fear, dude. Oh my god, stop. I don't know, go into one of the rooms. This girl, she needs to fucking die, bro. I'm sorry, but Gobani has to go. Is that her name? She is the one who's the most scared. She's making this thing grow at an exponential rate. The Eternity Devil. Oh, whoa.
その刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけど、使うと契約でアキくんの寿命がかなり減るんだ。アキくんはまだやらなきゃいけないことがたくさんあるんだ。だからごめんね、デンジ君。
Fuck you, dude. Power, you're pissing me off. Stop. I know she can't help it because she's a devil, but man. Kick her. Just kick her. Throw her into it. Oh my god. No. No, 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 no. She should never have been allowed to take this job. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? Dude. He's gonna die from that wound. Just try, please just try. She doesn't want to lose another partner. Oh my gosh, she's losing her shit. Can someone just kick her into that fucker's mouth, please? She's so annoying. Yeah, pull that fucking cord.
俺が悪魔をぶっ殺すようなことがあったら、チュー、まだ忘れてねえからな。
勝算段があるのか。
クソ痛えけど、チェーンソーになる。
チェーンソー。
あの悪魔、なんだか知らねえが、俺のチェーンソーにビビってやがる。だから
So it hurts every time he uses them?
てめえらよ、あいつが死にたくなるまで痛めつけ
He'll let you out?
自殺させりゃいい。
悪魔みたいな発想じゃな。
I approve.
俺をかばいやがって余計なことすんじゃねえよ。
He cares about you.
借りつくんな。
Well, using you, but I think he also cares about you.
外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
Wow. Is this really how the episode's gonna end? Like, I don't even get to see what happens? Damn it! This is the outro, right? Yep. That's annoying. That's so annoying. Ugh! I want to see what happens. Okay. It really does feel like that devil. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy. I'm sorry. I don't know why it's so itchy. Okay. But yeah, it really does seem like that devil was trying to like pit them against each other. It was a good plan. You're stuck in my stomach. I have no weaknesses. Kill Denji, kill Denji. So he's scared of his chainsaws. See, the thing is, like, Denji didn't even use his chainsaws in front of him, so I don't know if he just heard about Denji killing that other, like, the Bat Devil, and like so now he's scared of him. Like, well, if he was able to kill the Bat Devil, then he could probably kill me. Maybe that's why he was so scared. You know, maybe. So yeah, the best plan, I do agree with what Denji did. Throw myself in there, chainsaws out, you know, out and ready to kill, and do your best to cut him up from the inside. He's like, I'm just gonna keep cutting him up until he can't take it anymore. It's gonna hurt like hell. Like, so does it hurt every time he takes his chainsaws out? I mean, it makes sense. He's never said anything, so I wasn't sure. But it makes sense. I mean, literally chainsaws come out of your hands and your face, so yeah, it makes sense. You gotta cut through your own body before they can, you know, come through, so anyway, Hayakawa taking the hit for Denji, like, so Denji has to learn what a friend is. He's never really had one, and what, you know, true affection and just caring for someone, what it looks like and what it feels like, what it means. But I hesitate to say he did that because he cares for him. He said he's after the gun devil, so like essentially he's like, well, he says it, I can't kill the gun devil on my own. I need a devil's help. So really he's just saying I'm using him. So that's why he can't die. He has a better chance of killing the gun devil than I do. But I would like to think there's at least some sort of affinity there, some sort of affection. Like, granted, I will say it's probably, if you like measure them, he's probably using him a lot more than he cares about him, but you can't say that it's not there at all. That's what I think personally. And then she does say earlier, what's her name? Himeno. She says okay, so who was it? Somebody made a comment. Was it Power? Oh yeah, Power says, you know, it's kind of annoying how you're so calm about this. And she goes, well, it helps, you know, the nicotine helps, you know, dependency helps. You know, Aki's out there doing his best. And then you see she kind of starts to panic when she thinks he's gonna die. So like, she is very dependent on him. He keeps her sane. I mean, he's her rock, essentially. You know what I mean? Like, she's lost so many people, I think, once it's just the thought of losing someone else terrifies her. Like you just see her break, like that the calm that she had is just it's gone because the thing that she depended on, her rock, like it's being threatened. Like its existence is being threatened. He could disappear any second, and then now what do I do? Now who do I depend on? Who's my rock? So I think a lot of people can relate to that feeling, like when you lose a loved one, or the thought of losing a loved one, someone who's so near and dear, and like you can't replace them. Like it's terrifying. It's terrifying. So wow, this show, it does such a good job just of showing you of humanizing people, of exploring just humanity, the human. It's the human in all of us. It's crazy. It's beautiful. I love this show so much. Just every episode, like just exploring a different part of our humanity. It's awesome. So I just keep thinking about her, like, Aki, what am I gonna do? Like, and just seeing the crows, and like when she was at the graveyard, like, man, I feel for her. She's lost so many people. Wow. But yeah, Kobani needs to fucking go. She was indefinite. Like, I don't like her. I don't know if she's gonna be a permanent part of the crew, but she has to go. Like, she can't handle this. When she's freaking out and like coming at people with knives every 5 seconds, saying, just kill him, just kill him. Like, there's always one in the group who's just like, fuck it, sacrifice everybody else as long as it's not me. Okay, how about we sacrifice you? Because honestly, all you're doing is causing fucking problems. You are starting like a mass panic with your bullshit. Like, and all that's doing is making the devil stronger. Ooh, she was pissing me off this episode. Does anyone else, was anyone else being upset by this? Or getting upset by this? Like, I understand being scared, but like, if you're a devil hunter, you can't afford to be acting like this. Okay, I get it. It was like her first time out in the field, right? But you have to have the right temperament for this. And I would think that you would know if someone has the right temperament or not, or you would want to figure that out before you send them out into the field. Kobani, like, Himeno had to know. Like, why would you bring this girl out here? Ugh, no. Anyway, that's all I have to say about the episode. And then, last thing, Power was, oh my god. I get why they could be so annoyed by her sometimes, like, laughing when Kobani was crying, eating all the snacks and blaming it on Denji. Oh, just go die, because then I'll become, what did she say, Prime Minister, and then the first law I'll pass is 100% sales tax or something. It's like, yeah, you're gonna do all that. Oh my god. Oh my god. That would never happen, Power. That would never happen. First of all, even if you did become Prime Minister, no one would even let that law pass. Like, but I thought, so why I was confused in the moment where she was like, did she say kill him so that I can get out of here, or did she not? Did she say don't kill him? It probably makes more sense that she said kill him so that I can get out of here. But yeah, okay, so even if you did get out of here, yeah, there's no way you're getting the job. I'm sorry to break it to you, but they would kill you before you even got the chance. Like, sorry. Love you though, girl. Love you. But yeah, anyway, alright, I'm gonna wrap it up. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And if you guys want full reactions, you can catch that on my Patreon. The link for that's in the description below. Please check that out and sign up to support the channel. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Oh, whoa! Dry spot in my throat. I'm gonna get out of here, guys, and I will catch you in the next reaction.